Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's grammar topic is verb. There will be 20 questions and each question carries 1 mark. So let's get started. The first question, identify the verb in the sentence. Your sentence is, she sings beautifully. Can you identify the verb in the sentence? Your options are she sings beautifully song. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Excuse me. It is option B, sing. If you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Question number 2. Which of the following words is a helping verb? Your options are run, write, is, jump. Now these are the 4 options. Can you identify the helping verb out of these 4 options? Which one it is? Hurry up. Can you? Those are saying option C are absolutely right. Well done. Okay, kindly draw this one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Question number 3. In this sentence, he has eaten lunch. The verb phrase is, options are has eaten, lunch, he. These are the 4 options. Which is the verb phrase out of these 4 options, or can you identify the verb phrase in the given sentence? It is option A, has eaten. And if you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark. Okay, next one. Choose the main verb in this sentence. They were playing outside. Options are were, playing, outside, they. These are the 4 options. So can you identify the main verb in the sentence? It is option B, playing. Okay, question number 5. Which of these is a transitive verb? Options are sleep, go, ride, sit. These are the 4 options. Quickly identify the transitive verb out of these 4 options. It is option C, right. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. The baby cries loudly. The verb is, these are your options. Baby cries loudly, the. These are the 4 options. Can you identify the verb in the sentence? Which one it is? It is option B, cries. Okay, next question. Question number 7. Which sentence contains a intransitive verb? These are your options. He plays the guitar. She wrote a letter. The baby sleeps peacefully. They built a house. These are the 4 options. Identify the sentence that contain an intransitive verb out of these 4 options. Those who are saying option C are absolutely right. Well done. Okay, let's move to question number 8. What is the past tense of teach? Option are teached, taught, teaches, teach. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option B, taught. Okay, question number 9. What type of verb is can in the sentence? She can swim. So what type of verb it is? Your options are main verb, linking verb, modal verb, regular verb. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option C, modal verb. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Question number 10. Which is an example of an irregular verb? Here are your options. Go, eat, jump, speak. Can you identify the irregular verb out of these 4 options? It is option C, jump. Okay, those who have got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark. And also let me know in the comment section which grammar topic is your favorite. Okay, question number 11. In the sentence, the cake smells delicious, the verb smell is a action verb, linking verb, helping verb, modal verb. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? It is option B, linking verb. Question number 12. Choose the correct verb form. He dashed to school every day. Your options are go, goes, going, gone. These are the four options. Which one is correct? It is option B. He goes to school every day. If you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark, okay? Because you already know each question carries 1 mark, okay? Question number 13. Identify the action verb. Options are was, is, dances, been. These are the four options. Can you identify the action verb out of these four options? It is option C, dances. Question number 14. In the dog chased the cat, which is the verb? Options are dog, chased, cat, the. These are the four options. Which one is correct? Can you identify the verb in the sentence? It is option B, chased. Question number 15. What is the present participle of write? Options are writes, wrote, writing, written. These are the four options. Which one is correct? It is option C, writing. Okay? If you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark. Okay? Okay, question number 16. Which of these is a linking verb? Your options are run, sing, jump, eat. These are the four options. Which one is correct? Which one is the linking verb out of these four options? Let's see who can do it faster. The one who does it faster, let me know in the comment section. Also, just let me know in the comment section from which place are you watching my videos. Okay. So, which is the correct option out of these four options? It is option B, sing. Okay, question number 17. They will finish their work. The helping verb is. Which is the helping verb in this sentence? Is it they? Is it will? Is it finish? Or is it work? Which one it is? Those who are saying option B, will, are absolutely right. Well done. I'm so proud of you. Question number 18. Identify the verb phrase in. She has been reading the book. Your options are she, reading, has been reading, the book. These are the four options. Which one is correct? It is option C, has been reading. Let's move to the next question. Question number 19. What is the past participle of break? Is it broke? Is it broken? Is it breaks? Or is it break? Which one it is? These are the four options. Which one it is? It is option B, broken. Question number 20. Which of these is a modal verb? Option A, have, is, can, do. These are the four options. Which one it is? It is option C, can. Okay. With that, we come to the end of this exercise. Please mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 20. I would love to see your scores. Also, do mention in the comment section from which place are you watching my video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel in order to see more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.